Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for central Marion County in northeastern Texas, south central Cass County in northeastern Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Berea, or 15 miles north of Marshall, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jefferson and Berea around 5:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Low around 5:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Kildare around 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fairview and Crute. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas, Cass and Marion.